beauties, welcome back to my channel. Another beautiful day in my life. So today's Vlogmas day 9, guys. I can't believe it, we're almost halfway to Christmas. So today's agenda is studying. Listen, I'm trying to get this done before the end of the year, so I'm gonna be studying every single day till I pass the state exam. Next, I'm gonna do the Christmas crafting like I said yesterday, and then I'm also gonna place some orders because we wanted to make ugly sweaters this weekend. So you guys stay tuned for that. That's gonna be a few days from now. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. It's another chill day, cleaning around the house. But nonetheless, it's Vlogmas day 9. So shout out to all of my viewers and friends and family that have been watching for 9 days straight. You guys got however many days left until Christmas. Also, if you leave some comments, you might get a Christmas gift showing support. But anyways, let me stop. Yeah, I'm about to get to it, guys. Like I said, it's another chill day. I just gotta go hit the books. So see y'all soon. Bye. So this is a Christmas tree that I got for Audrina. I got it from Target. It needs to get fluffed a little bit and fixed up, but nonetheless, we're going to organize it and fluff it and decorate it, and then add some other balls. Do it. So yeah, I'm gonna fluff it and then she's gonna decorate it.
What's up, guys?
Say hello.
Hi. How you guys
All right,
doing?
let me fluff it.
I hope you're having a great Christmas wherever you guys are.
You want to put the star on? Show me what you're painting, Audrina.
I'm painting a Christmas tree.
Show me closer.
I'm painting
A wreath.
a wreath, I meant.
What are you painting, Daddy?
The most wonderful time
Of Christmas.
Painting a luxurious one-of-one custom
Stocking.
made Christmas
Stocking.
special stocking.
Sounds luxurious.
It's a one-on-one too. Alright guys, check it later.
That's it for Vlogmas day 9. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you tomorrow.
Peace.